Install the EcoNet app on your phone if you do not already have it. Create a new account or sign in to your existing one. Fingerprint or Face ID may be available based on your phone type. Select Add Product. Enter the location of your product and select Continue. Choose your product based on its user interface. Follow the instructions on the app for activating the unit's Wi-Fi. You will be prompted to turn off your mobile data during the installation process. Select Continue. The app will search for the local Wi-Fi that your smart product has created. Select Join once it has been found. You will now connect your smart product to your location's Wi-Fi. Enter the contact information of the company that will be servicing your equipment. This will allow you to quickly notify them in case of any performance alerts. Now, you can use all the features that your product offers, such as home and away settings and detailed scheduling. Spend some time exploring all the benefits the EcoNet app has to offer you. Scheduling, energy usage, product health, and additional unit settings. The EcoNet app gives you more control, more peace of mind, and more options than ever before.